Outlier navigation script tool. Now, the situation is I've got a very wide batch which involves a lot of compounds, in this case volatile organics, 70-some compounds. And if I look at batch at a glance and I look at the compounds laid out horizontally, I've got some territory to cover. But I can use the outliers. In this case, I'll demonstrate it with accuracy. And there are places where I want to inspect the fit to the curve, which is linear, do not exclude origin here. And I'm going to want to adjust some of those. So what I'm going to do is to use this tool to give me a list of the outliers that have been triggered, and then I can use that list to navigate directly to those places, showing it to me in batch at a glance, and then correcting it if I desire. This enables a very rapid look through a very sparse matrix of a large sample and compound batch. Look at the demo. Here I am with volatiles organics, and you'll see I've got quite a list of compounds here to review. So it's very wide. Now what I'm going to do next is to use the tool. So I've got a tool here, Outlier Navigation, and what this is going to do is to provide me with a table that I can use to navigate. So let's see what I've got in this table. I'll just sort by name here. I've got vinyl chloride at the top. And what this allows me to do is to take a look at each of the outlier accuracy. And I'll start with vinyl chloride. If I look here, you can see that this one is a bit low, and there's a warning there of the merge interference problem. If I move to the next, I can see that one is just a tad low. The next, I can see for cal level 3, I'm missing the expected retention time here and picking up that peak. And again, with level 4, I'm also missing the expected retention time, and you can see that's affecting the calibration curve. So now I can go through the rest of the compounds in a similar way to see if I have any problems with my calibration curve and decide what I want to do next. Thanks for your attention.